Hey guys, so I was just cleaning the kitchen and I had to stop because I realized I was using one of my favorite things that I had to share with you. So I actually got a couple things from this company. It's called Water Liberty, and this little guy here, the nano towel, I got my extras out to show you how they come. The nano towel is something I use like everywhere, in the kitchen, in the bathroom. But what it is, in I guess simple, really simple terms, is a specially formulated cloth. It's made out of microfibers, but all you use is water to clean. So it replaces all of your cleaning products, all of your paper towels. I have a 2.5-year-old, so we have so many spills, and this thing, let me tell you, is absorbent. So I was just cleaning. I was cleaning off my oven top, my stainless steel. I still have my refrigerator to go, but I seriously love this thing, not only because it saves me money and I don't have to buy cleaning products, but I'm not using a bunch of paper towels. This company is really focused on saving the earth and just helping us to reduce our waste. So this little towel here is just one way to do that. And then something else that I got from them that is really cool that I never in a million years thought would work, but it actually does. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. I took these out of my washer. So I use these. These are the magnetic laundry system. They are 2 super strong magnets, like super strong. I'm not even kidding you. Like, they stick through my hand. Ooh, I just dropped one. But they stick inside of your washing machine and they wash your clothes. Like, I don't have to use laundry detergent and they work. It's so crazy. They have a video if you want a little more explanation, but pretty much what it does is it helps water. Water is the real thing that cleans our clothes, right? There's other ways than just laundry detergent to clean our clothes, but the magnets help to just enhance the cleaning power of the water that's already in our washing machine. So I have a top loading washer. I use these in my top loader. They also work in front loaders as well, but you just stick them right on the inside of your washing machine. And I've already saved so much money and I don't have a big tub of laundry detergent anymore. And they work. It's so crazy. I know it sounds super sci-fi, how does a magnet clean your clothes? But they really do. Trust me, I, again, have a 2.5-year-old, so these things, they work. So I wanted, again, to just share with you some of these favorite things that I like to use in my home. And I'm really focusing on this year to reduce my own waste and my household's waste. So these allow me to do that because I'm not purchasing big tubs of laundry detergent. And again, this with the cleaning supplies and the paper towels, I don't even use them anymore. So check them out if you guys want. I have all the information below, and I'm gonna get back to cleaning. Bye guys.